Welcome back to my channel. Today let me show you how I designed and made these cards using simple techniques. I used two ink pads to blend and create the background first. You can use any color of your choice. I have used Rangers, archival ink, vibrant fuchsia and deep purple. See how the colors blend together and make your background colorful. I then used a stencil to give an extra depth to the card. Attach the stencil using masking tape or washi tape to hold it steady. Clean your stencil before you store it. Next, I use a clear stamp to stamp the sentiment. You can give this card to someone who you are missing at the moment. Finally, attach the card using double-sided tape or liquid glue. To add an extra touch, I use few drops of liquid pearls, Hydrangea and Jupiter. These are the colors. This is how the card turned out to be. I enjoyed making it and hope you enjoyed watching the process. Earlier I made another card saying warm wishes. Thank you for watching till the end. A big thank you to all who have subscribed and are supporting my channel to grow. If you still haven't subscribed, do click on the subscribe button to see similar content. Hope to see you soon with another crafty creation. Till then, bye.